What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test whole bunch of home gadgets, Amazon finds that is really popular on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Most of those gadgets I have noticed that is I filmed years ago, and this kind of feels good to be the first make this content really popular. Now the new wave, new young kids coming in and kind of like making it popular again, home gadgets, Amazon finds and kitchen gadgets. So it's pretty exciting to see that. But what I notice is they have not really putting them to the test. They're just showing really cool gadgets. We're actually going to put them to the test, and also we're going to find some other things as well that they have not showed them. Anyways, see if they work. For the first gadget I got that here, cup boom. So bottle opener, slide it in and push it in, and all I have to do is just kaboom it. That was insane. That is so hilarious. Let's try this again. Close up, slide it in between the cup and the glass bottle like that, and then let's see, line it up good and cup boom. That is cool. Did you damage it? This is cool. I don't know if they make them anymore, but this was on the Kickstarter. I love it. How about overbuild bottle opener? Check this out. So it's adjust this up and down, and let's try it. It could be small or super big can, and I can make it really tight and just use leverage. Boom, open it. This is super reliable and easy to use. With all that weight, makes it easy. It is so easy to open it to where I can open it the wrong way, no problem. Next time you have a power outage, you might want to have a non-electric can opener. So let's see how it works. Find the middle, push it through, adjust it down, push it with the leverage, and 1, 2, and then it's open. How easy is that? Don't have to spin it, line it up, just pop it in quickly, open. Super nice. Also, I bought it as a lot. This is a pretty unique vintage one. I'll show you the difference with these ones. These ones are so much slower. Oh, look at that. I can't even light it up. You see, if you get one of this, it's nice, but it is so slow. Look at all the motions. If you have one of those older can openers, get rid of them. They're just too slow, and look how sharp of the edges they make. This right here is life-changing. I use paper towels all the time. Check this out. Pull the bottle out, and then this is soap. I use one of those Dawn soap spray solution, and it's a sprayable dish soap, and it's really good to clean. I cannot advertise enough. Boom, wipe it all off, ready to go. Lock it in, move it to the side. This is might be the best wood box camping stove. So it opens it up this way, plenty of ventilation. Push it in here, lock it in, ready to go. If you want to have just a bonfire, little sticks, fill it up, small bonfire, high ventilation, and then whenever there's a bunch of hot coals or charcoal, lift it up, lock it in, boom, look at that. It's solid. Then you open it, lift it, fold it, put it away. Super easy. This side here is a wire clip holders. Just stick them on the side of the table. Then you can attach your computer cord right above your desk in the back, and then you can pull it up and down. And then whenever you release it, it's not gonna fall. I love that feature. I'm definitely gonna set it up. I'm tired of catching my wires from the back. How about nail clippers that catches the nails? So boom, set it up. Let's start. For example. And what happens is it will all go inside here, all your nails. Pretty cool. I like it. This side here, a little towelette holders. So it could be a nail or a sticker. Okay, stuck it to the table again. Let's see if it will hold full on a towel. Ooh, it sits in there super well. So I can hold a towel really well. and all I have to do without even thinking, gonna stick it in there and it will hold it. That's pretty amazing. So I don't have to try to make it perfect and plug it in. Actually don't work as good. Just put it with your finger and push it in and it will hold it really good. This utility rope I use all the time. Anytime I need a rope, check this out. There's a hole all of it. There's a different sizes, smaller size and big size. So around the house, if I need some, all I have to do is pull it out and cut off a piece. Boom. If I need to set up a tarp, that might be a good thing to do. Cover up firewood or whatever. There's a quick instruction how to use them. So it will go this way into the ground and the rope will be pointing up. And then you're just going to lock it in into here. And then wrap it around a couple times, whatever you wish to, and lock it in into here. And the rope will stay really steady in there. So perfect for camping or just covering it up, the top, stretching out the top around the house. I love it, easy to remove it. But yeah, this rope can withhold up to 1200 feet of rope, 1100 pounds brake test. I live in a place where the forests surround everywhere, and during the storms trees fall down all the time, so you bring out your chainsaw, and this is a little gas canister you can bring with you that clip it on with the pocket, so that way you don't run out of gas and you don't have to carry a heavy gas can. Obviously mix up your oil. Obviously get the right type of gas for your chainsaw and just push it up and just press it right here and it will release, and this will act like air hole. The other way, same thing, and we can refill the gas without spilling it super easily. All the way out. That takes quite a bit of gas, as you can see, almost a cup full. Usually those gas tanks on chainsaws is really small. And then simply there is a button, releasing it, that's it, and then you tighten it up and store it. Yellow watermelon. I couldn't believe in my eyes. It says Yellow Sun watermelon on the sticker. Am I living under a rock or is it actually a thing? So what we're going to do is crack open, see what inside of it, because I'm really curious. Check this out, guys. It is a yellow watermelon. Can you believe this? I can't wait to taste test it and see what I think. I kind of feel like it's going to taste like a cucumber. Wow, it's sweet, but it doesn't taste like a regular watermelon. It's so weird. It really does taste like orange a little bit. It is so juicy. Amazing. I don't know. I kind of have a feeling in 100 years from now, all the watermelons gonna be yellow. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Which gadget was your favorite? Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.